How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? It was boring day. It was boring day. I spent whole day at home. I spent whole day at home. It was a busy day. It was a busy day. It was as usual. It was as usual. Can we meet today? Can we meet today? I'm sorry, I'm busy today. I'm sorry, I'm busy today. Yes, we can meet. Yes, we can meet. Where are you going? Where are you going? We are going to restaurant. We are going to restaurant. We are staying home. We are staying home. Did you see Ahmed yesterday? Did you see Ahmed yesterday? No, I didn't see him. No, I didn't see him. I saw him with friends. I saw him with friends. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's almost 4. It's almost 4. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. I can speak a little. I can speak a little. What do you do? What do you do? I work in a shop. I work in a shop. I am studying. I am studying. I am jobless. I am jobless. I run my own business. I run my own business. How is the weather? How is the weather? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It may rain today. It may rain today. The weather is cloudy. The weather is cloudy. It's raining here. It's raining here. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. What is your age? What is your age? My age is 25 years old. My age is 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.